AI is completely reshaping the world today, and it's doing it at a really fast speed. So this program is an alive program. The curriculum of this program is really adapting almost in real time to the needs of the market. This track has been created because there is a specific need in the markets today. So data is everywhere, and companies need workers that really understand data and are able to make decisions and take decisions based on this data. So in our master, we are trying to give all the tools and all the knowledge to our students so that they can understand the data, manipulate it, and integrate data and decision making. So it's these double competencies that make this program really special. They are not just technical students, they are not just managerial students, they know how to do both, and more importantly, they know how to apply technical skills into the managerial world. So at the EDHEC Business School, for all our Masters in Management programs, we have intensive year between the first year and the specialization year. But this is crucial because in this year, students are going to first apply what they learned in the first year, discover what they really like and what they really want to do in their lives, and of course, gain in maturity and responsibility.
I'm part of the Global Performance Hub team at Danone, which is a pillar of the Strategic Insight and Analytics department. So I'm essentially assisting the team on different performance insights to deliver actionable insights that will really help create impact and help decision-making for the Danone Comex. Overall, I'm using a lot of data sets and a lot of data sources. It can be sellout sources, panel data, or brand health tracking. Our main aim is really to connect all the dots to measure Danone and its competitors' performance to really address key deliveries to the Comex and to the marketing team. What really interested me in this internship is the combination of technical skills with the analysis and also the business overview, because I'm really in the performance. I'm using a lot of my technical skills such as the data, but also using data visualization. But it's really combined with business, and I think it's really interesting to be in between data and strategy marketing. It's really something that I like.
I currently work at AI Partners. It's an AI consulting firm. What we basically do is build solutions using AI for different kind of business needs. During my first year at EDHEC, we learned a lot of things. What really helped me a lot was a Python part of it, and the machine learning courses, and the mathematics of deep learning. What that really taught me is how a model works and how to build the machine learning model, how to fine-tune the model, and that's exactly what I'm working on right now.
In my first internship as an assistant consultant, I used a lot VBA to automate some processes, and I made the whole company gain some time. As I was seeing clients and showing them the financial solutions they could have, I used some courses like financial valuation and analysis to implement it in my presentations to the client by doing some financial modeling on every solution.
I talk a lot with industry partners. I'm continuously in contact with them to understand the needs of the market and what they are looking for on our graduates. And they all tell me more or less the same thing. What we need is people that are able to learn, that understand the business, but are also very technically savvy.
My main goal after I graduate would be to join an investment fund that has an impact, whether environmental or social.
I think I will just see during my internship in which field I can see myself the best in the future. And for that, it's good to be now in gap year and then choose the MasterTube, because we can really talk with our colleagues from different teams and know where maybe we'll be the best in our career.
And that's what I see the value in EDHEC, because I want to be an entrepreneur in my future. So I think EDHEC has the capability to help me build my profile in the way I want it to.